In a world dominated by face-to-face interactions, where the human face takes center stage, there is a hidden realm within the vast universe of YouTube. Welcome to the realm of the top faceless YouTube niches. Ever wondered how some YouTubers manage to captivate millions of viewers without ever revealing their face? Today, we are diving deep into the intriguing world of faceless content creators, where anonymity meets creativity. Niche number 1, ASMR. Autonomous Sensory Meridian Response, or ASMR, has taken the internet by storm. With faceless creators using carefully crafted sounds and visuals, they transport their viewer into a realm of relaxation and tingling sensations. Niche number 2, Gaming. Believe it or not, there are successful gaming channels where the focus is purely on the gameplay itself. Faceless gamers share their expertise, strategies, and reactions, captivating viewers solely with their gaming skills. Niche number 3, Art and Animation. Faceless artists and animators have mastered the art of storytelling through their creations. With their unique visual styles and imaginative narratives, they inspire and entertain without ever revealing their identity. Niche number 4, DIY and Crafting. In this niche, faceless creators take viewers on a journey of creativity, guiding them through step-by-step processes of creating beautiful crafts and DIY projects. Their hands become the main focus, demonstrating intricate techniques. Niche number 5, Educational Content. Some faceless YouTubers have made it their mission to share knowledge and inspire learning. Through visually engaging presentations and demonstrations, they deliver valuable educational content to curious minds worldwide. From ASMR to gaming, art to DIY, and education to much more, the world of faceless YouTube niches is a testament to the power of creativity, talent, and anonymity. These content creators have managed to build loyal communities and inspire millions, all without showing their faces. So, next time you stumble upon a faceless YouTube channel, remember the hidden talents and creativity that lie beyond the shadows. The realm of faceless YouTube niches is vast, and it's waiting for you to explore. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that subscribe button and follow me for more captivating content. Thanks for watching.